It is
There's
to take.
an avocado, and is that a dinosaur or is that a shark?
That's a dinosaur.
But it has a little... It's a pin! Wait!
I'm zipping video.
I'm zipping video. Look at that, they're so cute.
The frog kisses the princess. Who's the princess and who's the frog? Ribbit. I'm still trying to. I think this looks like a weird dinosaur thing.
It's a dino shark.
Dino shark.
They have hands sewn on them.
I know. I saw that in the picture. Ribbit. I can't see that. Wait, are you zipped?
I'm zipped.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My couch prop is gonna make a joke out of this. And then he'll be like, what is this?